multiple times in the south. In fact, wind chills in the Texas Panhandle -26 yesterday. Just incredible.
Wow.
At least we know how to deal with the stuff up here. But you know it's bad when your snowplow man gets stuck in your own driveway, and that happened to me this morning. It's heavy drifting out there because of these winds. Let's get right to it at noontime and take a peek at some webcam shots here. Looking a little bit like the tundra down by the Buffalo waterfront at noontime today. Not seeing any blowing snow there, but some high clouds up in the sky there with plenty of sunshine. We did start the day with some cloudiness. They kind of cleared out. We may see some more again, though, toward the tail end of the day, especially to the north of the city, and some of those clouds may even produce a few snow showers. Heading up to the Wilson Boat Harbor and some sunshine shining up there along the south shore of Lake Ontario at noontime. Believe it or not, there was a freezing spray advisory along the south shore of Lake Ontario late yesterday afternoon. You don't see that too often around here in western New York, but with these severe, harsh conditions, that was the case. Let's take a look at Super Microcast for the afternoon. It's producing some sunshine across the area. It does develop some clouds and some snow showers later this afternoon. Still bitterly cold with the wind gusting across the area this afternoon, and that's not only producing some blowing snow, but I think we're seeing even more in the way of heavy drifting snow right down at the ground level, especially in the suburbs. You get out into the suburbs and some of the countryside areas, that will persist this afternoon. For the overnight period, a few of those scattered snow showers will work down across the region with mostly to partly cloudy skies. Still kind of windy tonight into tomorrow. The wind lessens a little bit, but I can't say that it's going to be calm by any means. That wind's still a factor, at least for the next couple days. Getting into tomorrow, a few scattered snow showers, some partial sunshine. The temperatures tomorrow actually may be a little bit colder than today because we're getting a reinforcing shot of colder air in here late tonight and early tomorrow morning. We should wrap up the week on a mainly dry note weather-wise on Friday with partly sunny skies. Some more snow showers arriving toward Friday evening and getting into Saturday as temperatures finally start to moderate over the weekend. But unfortunately, there's going to be a brisk breeze to go with that. So it's going to offset that warming a bit, especially even on Saturday and into Sunday. 18 degrees in Niagara Falls right now. We have 19 here at Buffalo, 23 by the lake at Dunkirk. Down to the south, a little bit chillier at Bradford, 16. Temperatures perking up on paper a little bit, but it doesn't feel like that because when you take these wind speeds into account, which have been frequently gusting over 30 miles per hour, even up to 40 miles per hour in some spots this morning, it's dropping that wind chill. Of course, the wind chill calculated on the sustained wind speeds of 24 at Niagara Falls and 25 here at Buffalo, a 20-mile-per-hour wind still down the lakeshore there at Dunkirk, and lighter winds somewhat in the interior locations. But because of the lighter winds with the colder temperatures that were found down here this morning, you ended up with the coldest wind chills averaging about -15 at times in the southern tier. We've seen some improvement, at least on that, with single digits in terms of the wind chill in the southern tier down into northern PA at Bradford. We're running 1 degree right now here in Buffalo and a 0 from Niagara Falls. Still some sub-zero readings out to the west, though, at London and Long Point. As we check the forecast details for this afternoon, we're going to be looking at a sunset time at 5:39 this afternoon. And as we head over to the forecast here, it's going to be partly to mostly sunny this afternoon, windy with a bitter wind chill and some heavy drifting snow as well. Some blowing snow, clouds, and maybe a chance of a snow shower later on this afternoon, especially to the north of the city, 14 to 20 degrees. For the overnight, very cold, quite windy, mostly to partly cloudy, a few snow showers down to 0 to 10. Still a wind chill dropping down to about -10 at times. And then for tomorrow, partly sunny, a few light snow showers, still very cold and rather windy, 12 to 16. As we get into Friday, partly to mostly cloudy, windy, a few snow showers toward evening. Still a nasty wind chill, but mainly dry during the day on Friday, 23 to 26. Scattered snow showers in here for Saturday with a high up to 27 with a brisk breeze. Those snow showers will be mixed with perhaps a few raindrops on Sunday, so things might get a little sloppy there for the pond hockey tournament down by the lakeshore with a high at 36.
That's